There you go. Now, a lot of people forget that before we had weed sprays and yucky stuff that kills bees and cool bugs, we had tools. This one's from a lady that has passed away, but I got it from a garage sale that her kids were at, and they were selling all the old tools. And what she liked about this was she was big and tall, and what she could do is she could use it, not on grass, not on grass, but on on weeds and stuff. And she didn't have to bend down. She was old, and when you get old, you can't get back up once you fall down. So I've been told. Anyway, actually, you should have seen me this morning when I got out of bed. Anyway, so I'll show you how it works.
We did.
So we got ourselves some weeds, right? We'll get Lily out of the way for a second. Just stand there, mate. Got ourselves some weeds here, right? You just go on the bloody top, mate. Or you can grab all this shit, or you can bury it under, it doesn't matter. But then you've done a section, look at that. Beautiful, look at my feet. Yeah. Anyway, go to your garage sales and find yourself some tools. Or be a tool. Yeah.